Here the question says solve 5 by 2x minus 1 minus 4 by 4x minus 2 minus 3 by 6x minus 3 equal to 1. So how can you solve? Look, at first 5 by 2x minus 1 minus 4 by, if we take 2 as a common factor, so 2x minus 1 minus 3 by, if we take 3 as a common factor, then 2x minus 1 equal to 1. Now we'll cancel 4 by 2, that will be 2, 3 and 3 can cancel. So all denominator is 2x minus 1 right now. Then from this numerator we'll get 5, from this one we'll get 2, from this one we'll get 1 equal to 1. So 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 1, that will be 2. 2 by 2x minus 1 equal to 1. Now do the cross multiplication. So 2 equal to 2x minus 1. Then 2x will be 2 plus 1, 3. Then x will be 3 by 2 or 1 whole 1 by 2.